Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for watching. It's been a little bit since I did a video, so I want to do a quick one for you guys. I want to show you today the Chicago Machine horizontal milling machine. So hope you guys liked the video. As always, please like, subscribe, share, and bring you more content. Thanks for watching. Okay, so now as you can see, Chicago Machine. And I think when I researched this, tried to date it around like 1908, 1909, something like that. I could be way off. So obviously she's been modified a little bit throughout the years. My light's a little iffy here, and the bulb just blew. Okay, no light on it today. But as I said, she's a horizontal mill machine. Check out the whole canvas belt. Change the speed of it. Swap it over pulley wise. Loosen up the brackets. And you can slide the arm in and out. All gear driven. Not many safety features on this. Start it up for you guys. She runs quiet. Believe it might be the original motor at least on it. She's got oil cups, an oiler here. Roll your workpiece. And the table is it's actually, see, moving the adjustment arm, but I don't have it engaged. Let's see if I can get it engaged here. Oil and grease is cold. There we go. You can see her moving. And you can adjust your height. See some wood sawdust here from the last project I used it. I was milling a slot for a knife. Didn't work out right, but I had to try it. Another oiler. She's due to be oiled. Take the table slide off. Lots of manual adjustments on this. Blade could be tightened up a little bit. I mean, not the blade, the belt. Boston Gear. I'm not even sure if this was the original green. I know I got it at an estate sale. All his tools were painted green. He painted everything green. grease fitting. Because I have a, actually right there. It's an old Sears Craftsman saw. The guide wheels were taken off. They were in a box, same estate sale. So I got to make new guide wheel set up for it. I'm actually going to use this, so I'll probably show you that in a later video. I got to get some more cutter bits, but just like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick video, show you something different, something neat. An old 1908, 1909, somewhere in there. Chicago Machine and Tool Company. Let's see if I can find a year for you. I actually I gotta go through it, grease it, oil it up, get it ready. Been sitting all winter. You can see some rust forming here. Just surface. I'll scuff it right off with a piece of steel wool. I'll clean her up, oil her up, get her ready. Had a little extra moisture in the barn this winter. But as always, hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and bring you more. I got a real interesting one for you in the next couple days I want to release. No, that's not my Jack Daniels box either. That was another sale. It's got pistons mounted to it. I wanted it for the leather. I don't know what you can use pieces of leather for. But hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. You'll get a kick out of it. All right, thanks for watching.